When I see you, I see the Father, full of mercy, full of grace. Every word you speak is healing, every touch a warm embrace. You reveal the heart of heaven, you restore the broken soul. In your presence, love unending makes the wounded spirit whole. When I see